Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of practical products. Today, we're diving into the best dog crate folding 36-inch model on the market right now. The Amazon Basics Durable, Foldable, Collapsible, Portable Metal Wire Dog Crate. If you're a pet parent looking for a secure, portable, and easy-to-manage crate, stay with us for the next 5 minutes as we unpack everything this product has to offer. This Amazon Basics crate strikes an excellent balance between form and function. It comes in at 36 inches long, 23 inches wide, and 25 inches tall, making it an ideal fit for breeds like Cocker Spaniels, French Bulldogs, Corgis, and similar medium-sized dogs. The general guideline for crate sizing is that your dog should be able to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Amazon's suggestion is to measure your dog from nose to base of tail and top of head to the floor, then add about 4 inches for optimal comfort. This crate accommodates those recommendations beautifully. Now let's talk build. The crate is made from strong metal wire with a single door design and a manual locking mechanism for secure containment. What makes this crate particularly appealing is how user-friendly it is. Assembly is straightforward, no tools required, and when not in use, it folds down flat for compact storage or easy transport. There's also a handle on the top for carrying it from room to room or on road trips. Inside, the crate includes a divider panel, which is great if you're crate training a puppy and want to resize the space as your dog grows. This thoughtful inclusion extends the product's utility and lifespan, especially for those raising young dogs. Let's talk cleanliness. The base features a removable plastic tray that slides out for quick cleanup. But here's where Amazon Basics adds a smart touch. There's a metal hook underneath that locks the tray into place to prevent it from sliding out when your pet moves. Just remember to lock that hook every time after cleaning. When it comes to portability, this crate shines. The foldable design makes it ideal for small apartments, travel, or just to stow away when not needed. The flat folded profile means it can fit easily in the back of a car or even under a bed. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics 36-inch foldable metal dog crate checks all the boxes. It's durable, thoughtfully designed, easy to assemble, and perfectly suited for medium-sized pets. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or just upgrading your current crate, this one earns a solid spot at the top of our list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews from Product Critique. Drop a comment below if there's a pet product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.